We talk about the skin barrier and it being damaged and being beyond repair. What can we do to fix it? And what are things that you can do at home to make sure that your skin barrier stays in great shape? Because seriously, the sooner you start taking care of your skin barrier, your skin, the better shape your skin's going to be for longevity skin. That's what we want. So keeping it healthy comes from the inside to the outside, but repairing it is making sure that you are doing all those things to make sure that your skin is growing from the cellular level up to the top where you see it, which is the barrier, and staying in great shape. One of the best things you can do is eliminate sugar from your diet. No kidding, for real, and make it as little as possible. But sugar starts a process called glycation in the body, and that sugar is what contributes to a lot of what I call the decay of the skin. Another thing to do to repair the skin barrier is to make sure that what you're applying to the skin topically is not drying it out. So many people are using soaps and cleansers and I know you might be buying it at the drugstore, buying it, whatever's the cheapest thing, but the cheapest thing for soap is not the best thing for your skin barrier. You want a cleanser that is going to be emulsifier free and also that is going to help not only take off everything that is toxins, but keep the skin in good condition.